Wow! Hi everyone, this is Cesar Bicolana, J-Pong Finder in Pampanga, and we are here today at Enclave Subdivision along Film Friendship Korean Town. This subdivision is located around 15 to 20 minutes going to Clark International Airport if you want this kind of place. Now for this house pala, this is brand new, and as you can see, it's a mix of modern industrial and a contemporary house. This will be your two-vehicle carport with automated gate, tapos naka-bifold yung gate niya. Tapos, ang ganda kasi may dalawang ceiling fan. So, kumbaga ready siya kung may any occasion kayong gustong gawin. And if you notice, meron siyang electric fence na nakapalibot sa harap ng bahay. Pasok tayo. And also, I love this kasi it helps na maging true and true lang yung hangin. Plus, talagang natural breeze. Though open naman yung labas natin, pero it's nice. It gives still accent sa pinakabahay. Now, dito naman, tas elevated pa siya. And also, may sariling gate. Additional privacy or safety for everyone. Ito yung pinaka-service kitchen natin, and this area is my most favorite part. Hindi man ako magaling talaga magluto, pero 'di ba, ang ganda nito, pang mga restaurants na siya. Tapos ito yung degas. Tapos yung ganito, 'di ba? Ano siya? Easy to maintain. Thing like that. And a spacious area for your washer and dryer. So we continue going here. Another spacious area with gate as well. Ito na yung pinaka sampayan nyo ng clothes kahit papapunta dito. A very spacious setback sa likod. Tignan nyo naman. And baga 11 a.m. na. Presko pa rin dito sa kung saan nakapwesto yung bahay. Ganda, no? Palibot yung, paikot talaga yung electric fence niya. Tapos yung eto din, ang ganda. And by the way, eto pala, meron pa siyang tile sa ilalim. Itong flooring natin na to. Oh, eto din pala. Meron nang nilagay din na pump para din mas malakas yung pressure ng tubig natin sa second floor. Ang cozy, no? Labas pa lang. Lalo na dito. Once we enter your pedestrian gate, sara ko lang muna. Once we enter your pedestrian gate, of course, direct tayo sa pinaka-main door natin. Pero, look at this. It's very cozy and inviting. Plus, itong mini pocket garden nyo, napaka-easy to maintain. Kasi, yan, more on pebbles lang and a mini plant over here. Plus, 3 steps going to your beautiful main door. Yes, I wanna highlight your main door kasi ito yung solid na rack. And also, you have a smart digital lock sa main door nyo. Yan, I'll see you inside. Welcome to your dream home. Na-feel ko na ang ganda nung loob ng bahay. Hindi ko pa kasi siya nakikita talaga in person. So, ginawa ko na naman yung surprise myself. Pero ito, alam ko na. Ito yung lagayan nyo ng slippers and mga outdoor shoes. Tapos ang design niya is sulihin. Ang pinaka-theme niya talaga for this house is the eclectic design. So, for your living room, you have a high ceiling, and then yung furnitures na ginamit nila are mix of modern, a Filipino theme, and a rustic. Example, you have this, pala? Shovel. Pero that's accent for your living room. You have this beautiful rustic center table. At the same time, you have this, ito yung pinaka-uso to, yung mga mushroom chair. And we have a very cute accent to pop up the whole living room area. Ang ganda niya in person. And also, you will appreciate this chandelier sa pinaka-living room nyo. Tapos, pag lumipat naman tayo ng pinaka-dining area nyo, ang ganda niya kasi connected lang yung living area. Kung nag-entertain kayo ng visitors nyo, tapos kayo namang family dito is, you're having a dinner, diba? Both ng chandelier sa living room and dining area are the same. And for your dining area naman, sulihiya din yung design ng chair niya. You have a spacious dining area, naka 8-seater siya. 'Di ba? Ganda ng design nito. And I think, gusto kong bumalik sa living ay pinaka-formal kitchen nyo. Ang ganda. Ganda ng formal kitchen. Ang daming upuan. Every corner is a conversational starter. Yung ganon. Everything is connected. Ang ganda. You have a granite countertop for this whole area of your kitchen. Pakaganda mag-prepare. Hi, Mare. Hi, kids. How's your food? Yung ganon. Gaganda ng cabinets. Pati yung mga hooks niya. Ang slick ng handle. Ay, yung mga cabinets sa ilalim, syempre, yan yung mga favorite ko. Over here, sink, large sink, and also connected siya dun sa pinaka carport nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng natural light. Parang ang ganda magluto dito. Ang ganda mag-prepare ng mga food for your family. And kung napansin nyo, yung design ng countertop natin tuloy-tuloy hanggang sa pinaka-pader. Kaya ang ganda. Ito may intercom pa. Alam niyo talaga kung sinong papasok. Talagang may personal touch yung bahay. Every corner, magagamit. Yung useful yung every corner. Tapos talagang, yes, I would love to buy this home. Yung feeling ng bahay na to. For me. Over here, mga cabinets pa. Look at the handles. Cabinets. Laminated yung mga cabinets nila. So, matalsikan lang ng dumi, pwede nyong punasan agad. Ito, 5 burner, and then sa ilalim niya meron na ganda, Elba. Elba yung brand niya. So, stainless. Mga ganito, pupunasan nyo lang para ma-maintain yung cleanliness niya. And syempre, matches yung brand niya na Elba na range hood. Dito naman may mga sample na wow, for coffee. Sa ilalim niya, mga cabinets din, storage din. Tapos may mga, mabasahan lang naman yun, para malilinis. Para at least may mga storage na, diba? Tapos yung pinaka-whole living room, at this time, isa lang yung gumaganang aircon, pero cool na yung buong place. Wow! Parang pantry na to. Okay, may mga gamit. Huwag ko na masyadong open. Ito yung breaker natin. And by the way, naka-solar din pala yung bahay natin. Bahay nyo. Future home nyo. Wow, ang daming gamit. Ang daming nalagayan. Tapos ito naman, may 4-door fridge na kayo dito. Hindi masyadong o-open. At the same time, may mga overhead cabinets pa siya hanggang dun. Uy, may mga alcoholic dito. Eto, ganito siya. Ganito siya lagyan pag meron kayong gantong cabinet. Mga display niya ng collections. And this door naman, ito yung access natin going to your... Pero galing na ako dito kanina. Access lang natin from inside. Your dirty kitchen and carport. Over here yung laundry area. Balik tayo. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts habang hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa ibang area ng bahay. And I think this door leads us to the first bedroom. Surprise me. Ay, wow. Wow. This is your master bedroom. Dito siya sa ground floor located. For your master bedroom, ito meron siyang natural light kung gusto nyo. Ito yung side where you can hang your clothes. Ang ganda. Dito din, matches yung may theme din dito. Filipino theme din yung house, yung bed frame. Diba? Yung mga colors na nagpa-pop out, pero nagka-complement sila sa lahat. This area is your entertainment wall. Mas marami siyang shelves. Siguro up to 65 inch. Kaya dito na ilagay na TV. That's it. Ang ganda din. Ganda ng pagkalagay. Sarado ko. And this area, which everyone loves, walk-in closet, vanity area. Kahit dito, ang ganda ng countertop nyo. So, pati yung mga handle ng drawers. Nabanggit ka na ba yung eclectic theme ng bahay kasi? Kaya may mga color siya, may mga matches ng, kumbaga, personal experiences. Now, this door leads us to the shower area. This is your shower area. Separate siya from the toilet. Ito naman yung toilet area natin. It's very clean. The popping color of yellow. For your smart toilet siya. For your master bedroom. And this side, separate door naman is your walk-in closet. Enough space for his and her. And meron akong na-notice from your walk-in closet. Meron pala kayong pocket door, sliding door. Ayan. So, pwede nyo pa rin isara yung pinaka-whole toilet and bath nyo. Kung gusto nyo pa rin ng privacy habang nag-aayos kayo dyan. It's very nice. It's a different design for me. Ganda, master bedroom nasa baba. Okay, dito, baba tayo ng konti. Is your... Oh, eto yun. Eto yung nakita ko sa picture na maganda. Eto yung para sa guest natin. So, meron na siyang urinal, and then smart toilet din. Tapos, ito yung sink niya. Diba? Look at the design. Dito na mas naka-highlight yung eclectic design ng theme ng bahay. Napakaganda ng guest powder room nyo. Talagang pag-uusapan ng mga guests nyo. And then, this one, ano siya, ayan. May sensor yung staircase natin. So, akit ako ulit para ma-explore natin yung mga natitira pang bedroom sa taas. And again, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media pages. That's Next Level Properties. Tara! Going to your second floor. Oh, wow! That's just a nice fixed window over here. Gusto ko yung ginamit na lang sheer curtain. A modern chandelier sa staircase nyo. And then, yung mga planks ng wood natin for the staircase, tangilin naman yung, type of wood. Now, dito, to this side of the house, a spacious bedroom sa second floor. This one is very spacious. May dalawang queen-size bed na ilagay. And at the same time, ito yung pinaka-entertainment wall. Double as yung pinaka-lagayan na nila ng damit. Ito na yun. Ang laki. And this view, we have a view of same side kung nasan yung view ng primary bedroom sa baba. This one's spacious. Tapos, ang toilet and bath niya is over here. A very elegant handle for your toilet and bath. Common toilet and bath na to. And this one. Another smart toilet. And sa middle yung sink. Tapos sa likod naman ng pinaka-door na to yung shower area. Yung ganong design, it's very nice. Kasi since common area siya, may makakagamit pa rin ng toilet or the sink kasi may separate yung shower area. Next door. Also, dun siya yun yung gagamitin niyang toilet and bath for this room. Ito maganda yung design niya since meron na siyang either vanity area or study area. So, yung mga drawers na din. For this one, nilagay nila is single size na mattress and bed frame. Pero, still, you have an entertainment wall and a cabinet. Well, planned pa rin. And another area, sa other side naman, going to the front of the property. I like this one. From here, this is your living area. Diba it's very nice? You have a very beautiful chandelier for your living area. Pati na rin, dining area pati sa living area nyo. Tapos from there, before we reach here, meron pa kayo ditong family room. Naka-enclose din siya through this sliding doors. Diba? It's very nice. Talagang may personal touch siya na alam ng kung sino mang makakabili or may family na magagamit nila yung each corner. Pwede gawing office, pwede nga family room, pwede pang playroom kasi spacious pa rin siya. TV dito, may mga storage to put some toys or even a snack, pwede. Diba? Pwede din yung projector kasi ganun siya ka-spacious. May aircon and ceiling fan pa siya. And a spacious sitting area. Ganun ka-spacious. It's nice. And next room naman nakabukas na. For this one naman, since nasa ground floor this is a nice accent chair. Since nasa baba yung pinaka main primary bedroom, this is your junior master suite. Sulihi pa rin yung pinaka bed frame niya, pero the queen size din also yung bed. Tapos notice ko, hindi ko ata na-mention, from your living area, lahat may carpet. It's very nice. Entertainment wall. And kung nasan si Mr. K naman is your study area and pwede ng vanity area. Plus, your huge cabinet. Buksan ko na. Ayan, ganda ng cabinets. Ganda ng cabinets. That's it. Tapos ito, may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Spacious countertop. And lahat smart toilet. Tapos, a very sleek design of shower head. Ito din. Parang ang linis niya lang. Everything is clean. Everything is organized. Lahat gusto mong itago since what? Oh! Pivot door. Galing. I guess this is where I end my house tour for this house or not yet. We have another area, I think. Sorry. Ito pa, may isa pang door. Isa pang door which is your storage. Very spacious storage. Ayan, mga extra linens nyo, pillows, ganon. Mga for cleaning materials, yan. Babalik lang ako sa baba to give you the quick recap for this beautiful house for sale here in Angeles City. Alright, for the quick recap, again, this house is brand new and available for sale located here at Enclave Subdivision along Phil-Am-Friendship, Korean Town. The house sits at 200 square meters for the lot area and you have still 269 square meters for your floor area. This is 4 bedrooms, sea toilet and bath. You have your 2-vehicle carport with automated gate and the house has solar na rin and a smart ready home for you. And it comes fully furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Cesar Bicolano, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.